We're going to simplify 3t minus 1 divided by 4 minus 12t. We're going to do that by starting with factoring out the greatest common factor from the denominator, which is 4, and we end up with 1 minus 3t as the other factor. Now we're going to look, and we have 3t minus 1 in the numerator and 1 minus 3t in the denominator. And although we don't have a greatest common factor in the numerator, we can always make it look like we're factoring out a 1. And that leaves us with 1 times 3t minus 1 in the numerator and 4 times 1 minus 3t in the denominator. Now, 3t minus 1 and 1 minus 3t look awfully the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to think about that expression, 3t minus 1 and 1 minus 3t. Well, what if t is equal to 2? If t is equal to 2, then what we get is 3 times 2 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3 times 2, or 6 minus 1 is 5 over 1 minus 6 is negative 5. And that would be equal to negative 1. If t is equal to 1, we get 3 times 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 3 times 1, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 3 is negative 2, which is also equal to negative 1. And you can imagine no matter what value we put in for t, we're always going to get something minus 1 in the numerator and 1 minus that same thing in the denominator. And so what we'll end up with is a number in the numerator and its opposite in the denominator. And so no matter what, this expression always reduces to negative 1. So now going back to our original problem, we can write this as 1/4 times 3t minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3t, and we've already seen that no matter what value we plug in for t, this expression is going to be equal to negative 1, and that gives us negative 1/4. So we can say that our original 3t minus 1 divided by 4 minus 12t simplifies to negative 1/4.